Hello, I'm out here today at Foxfire. I've been working on some copper roses. They start out basically as pieces of copper that I've cut out into shapes. They have 5 petals each on them. Now, this has already been heated up and annealed in the forge. So here's what I can do next. I start by hammering. Still have a little bit of work to do on, but that just gets the basic shape done. So these are starting to get ready so I can make the rose. These are the rose petals now. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll be doing more later. Appreciate it. Bye.